Non-conforming lots are isolated to protect the process.
Approved fruit is released in first-in, first-out order.
Fruit advances to washing without manual handling. Tipping removes field debris before washing. Air agitation improves cleaning without damaging fruit. Potable sprays remove loosened residues. Sanitizer concentration and contact time are verified. Surface water is removed to prevent dilution and carryover. Clean fruit transfers into controlled inspection. Obvious defects are removed early to protect yield. Optical systems detect defects consistently at speed. Automated rejection improves safety and uniformity.
Buffering stabilizes flow into preparation.
Carving exposes pulp while controlling contamination. Pulp is separated from shells efficiently. Shells move independently for fiber recovery. Final sieving ensures uniform particle size before heat treatment. Removing entrained air protects color and flavor. Buffering stabilizes downstream processing. Accurate flow control supports consistent pasteurization. Blending aligns bricks to customer specification. CP. Only compliant product is allowed forward.
Rapid cooling protects quality post-pasteurization.
Sterile transfer prevents recontamination. Surge capacity balances filling without exposure. Filling occurs under sterile conditions to ensure shelf stability. Accurate filling and sealing protect product integrity.
Weight verification ensures contract compliance.
Vision inspection confirms seal integrity. Coding links finished product to processing records.
Final visual checks confirm readiness for palletizing.
Finished packs are queued for pallet formation. Automated palletizing ensures stable, repeatable loads. Pallets are secured to protect goods during handling. Wrapping stabilizes pallets for transport and storage. Finished goods await dispatch under FIFO control. Shell moisture is reduced.
Detergent circulation removes residues from closed systems.
Rinse clarity and conductivity confirm cleanliness. Segregated zones maintain safety and efficiency across the plant. Documentation confirms quantities and destinatines before loading. Pallets are loaded to maintain stability during transport. Seals protect cargo integrity in transit. Residual solids are managed as waste, not reused.
Environmental monitoring supports ongoing hygiene control.
CCP records are reviewed to confirm process control. Retention samples support traceability and verification.
Storage conditions are monitored to protect quality. Fiber byproduct is staged separately for sale or disposal. Clean tools are controlled to prevent contamination.
Controlled personnel flow supports GMP.
Utilities are monitored for efficiency and safety.
Shipments depart once all controls are complete.
All right, truck slot confirmed for the 0800 departure. We are good to go.
Incoming carriers are verified before entry. Dock safety measures are applied before loading. Finished product leaves the facility under seal. Solid waste is compacted for compliant disposal.
Areas are prepared for routine sanitation.
The plant is secured after completing production.
Readiness checks ensure safe restart conditions. Standardized pulp is confirmed ready for critical heat treatment.
Aseptic fillers are cleared and secured after use. FIFO controls ensure older pallets ship first. Only treated effluent is discharged under permit.
Daily metrics summarize safety, quality,
and yield. Controlled exits complete the production day. Aseptic fillers undergo validated cleaning after production.
Final verification confirms cleaning effectiveness. Unused sterile packs are secured to prevent contamination. Records are archived for regulatory compliance.
Security monitoring protects product and facilities.
All shipments are complete for the day. The process concludes with the facility secured.